How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we are checking out an absolute gorgeous 65 Impala SS. This car was originally built in California. Spent most of its life out west, and had in 2020 had a complete frame off restoration. Super nice car. All the grill, bumpers have all been redone. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. All original sheet metal on the car. Gorgeous car. Factory colors. It's had a few updates. They did four-wheel disc brakes on it. Rear bumpers all been re-chromed. All the tail lights, bezels have been replaced. It's original trim on the tail panel in excellent condition. All the glass in this car is softray tint in excellent condition. So I really like these 65 Impalas. It's got the twin antennas. It's got a set of 18-inch wheels on it. Rocket racing wheels. Got the dual correct bow tie side view mirrors. It's a factory AC car. Got an updated compressor. It's a 300 horse 327. Aluminum intake and Holley with electric choke. Updated with electronic ignition. It's got power steering. Again, it's a power four-wheel disc brakes. Aluminum radiator. Tell you, the detail on this car is just excellent. I don't know that I've seen a 65 Impala this nice. It's factory ram horn exhaust manifolds into 2.5-inch dual Flowmaster exhaust out the back. It's got all new interior in it. See, the jams and everything are painted as nice as the outside. It's got 3,400 miles on it since the restoration. They powder coated the frame. Gorgeous. I love the blue interior. It's got the original registration there around the steering column. Pretty rare to find that. It's got the front seat belts. They've custom upholstered the trunk to match. Very tastefully done. Excellent job. That's the original lid for the center console. They took a piece of metal and made it so they had cup holders in the console. Kind of nice. I tell you, this car drives and rides excellent. It's got a retrofit AM/FM stereos in it with iPod capability. You can see the cup holders there in the console. Very tastefully done. It's just a super nice car. Thing fires right up. Again, it's a 300 horse, 327. It's got the original 2-speed power glide, which was all redone. It's got the 12-bolt limited slip rear. Sounds real good out the back. It's just a super nice car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. That's a good looking Impala there. I almost want to keep that one. Got quite a bit of traffic. Tell you, the wheel combination on the car fits it very nicely. Have a great day, folks.